So, I was robbed, and someone sneaked out on my house and stole my stuffs. And I want to fix this problem. So, I'm gonna make a security system that can detect someone unwanted. So, यसको लागि म गए सबैको साथी च्याट जीपीटीबाट. So, ChatGPT gave me answer, but it also talked about microcontrollers, and I don't have that set. So, very much ChatGPT लाई सोध्ने वाला छु कि can I make it without using microcontrollers or not? So we have the idea to how to make it, and I know this time is exactly for the game time. But how? Remember what I said at the beginning of the video? सबैको साथी ChatGPT. Time for assembly. Now we have all the components. Let's see how this device actually works. First off, we have an LDR, light dependent resistor. It also called a photoresistor. But what makes it special? Well, its resistance isn't fixed. It changes based on the amount of light falling on it. More light, lower resistance, less light, higher resistance. Pretty cool, right? Next we have an transistor. Think of it as a smart switch. It wouldn't allow just current to pass through randomly. It only turns on when a small voltage, around 0.5 volt to 0.7 volt, is applied to its base pin. So what happens when we put this together? When light hits the LDR, its resistance drops, allowing a small current to flow. This small current triggers the transistor, allowing a much larger current to pass through the circuit. In simple terms, light turns the circuit on. And just like that, we have built a basic light detector sensor. Honestly, if this sensor could detect motivation instead of light, it still wouldn't pick anything from me or from you if you are being real. Now you guys can think, this is so simple, why we need this type of crap projects? What does that mean for us and this project? That's why I want to tell you, it's a reminder that the experiment and projects we are working now might seem small and simple in the grand scheme of things, but they hold the potential to spark bigger innovation. And remember, once Nikola Tesla said, the present is theirs, the future I have really worked is mine.
And something bad is about to happen to me. I don't know what, but I feel it coming. Might be so sad, might leave my nose running. I just hope she don't